Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with my last hair video, and today's sponsor is by Dolago Hair. This company has 100% human hair for all their wigs. Right here I'm just showing you guys what came in the box. We are working with a silky straight 360 lace frontal wig today. It did come with a wig cap and a elastic band for you. So this hair is 18 inches. It came pre-plucked, so that helped a lot. I'm going to be showing you guys today how I bleach my knots. And also, this is a transparent lace. It does come with 4 combs and adjustable strap for you. Alright, so I got this quick blue bleach from L'Oreal, and I got it from Sally's. And I got this 30 volume developer. I got this whole bleaching knots trick from Miss Rosh Posh. If you guys know her, you guys know she makes fabulous wigs. So you kind of want the texture of the bleach to be like toothpaste, so I just use like a popsicle stick to layer it on. So easy, so satisfying, so just watch, boo. So I'm just going to be setting my timer for 35 minutes or until I see that my knots are turning blonde. I think I let it stay for about 10 more minutes, but this is how the knots came out. Alright, so this is how the hair turned out. I blow dried it and straightened it, and this is pretty much how it came out. It looks flawless. Alright guys, so I'm just going to be showing you guys how I install my wig, and that's pretty much it. Alright, so this concludes this video and also my final hair video. I hope you guys enjoyed all these hair videos and learned some things. Make sure to stay tuned for my next videos, and yeah. Love you guys. Bye.